let's just go ahead and get started with these ingredients. So this recipe doesn't really take a whole lot of time. It's just a whole lot of parts that you may or may not have to cook. So I have shredded cheese, canned corn, black beans, pico de gallo, jalapenos, canned salsa, and my favorite sauce of all time, sriracha mayo. I have shrimp, and we have the star of the show, the steak, because carne asada basically means grilled steak. So the internet told me that I could use a sirloin steak or a skirt steak. So I just bought a sirloin. It was like $8 from the store. I sliced it up kind of thin because I didn't want my steak pieces to be super, super big. And now I'm going to grease my pan, and I'm going to put some minced garlic in there. That's not the kind in the video. I just wanted, a visual. And then I'm going to use this Zatarain's blackening seasoning to put on there. And I'm using this Weber Mesquite as well as some lemon juice. So now I'm going to cook my shrimp. So I removed my tails from my shrimp, and then I drained my corn and I drained my black beans. So yeah, so I could get the liquid off of it, because the liquid kind of has a whole lot of sodium in it, and I had to get that off. So now I'm using this lemon pepper seasoning and some garlic sriracha seasoning. And I just want y'all to listen to that sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. So next I'm going to put some Old Bay on my beans, and I'm going to just cover it up and let it cook. So my approach for this was, because it's a burrito, like, you want all parts to be equal. Also follow my Instagram. You want all parts to be equal. So I just put it all in a bowl and I stirred it up. So like I said, all the parts will be equal. And I forgot to add my lettuce. So I'm just cutting up my lettuce. This is just like regular schmegular lettuce. And now I'm going to just add all my ingredients. I'm going to just smack it in the burrito. You can also use this as like a burrito bowl. And I just rolled up my burrito. It's really easy. All you do is just like push it out, push the two sides out, and then tuck the sides and then roll it up. So that is what our burrito looks like. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't normally do a whole lot of cook with me's, but I want to incorporate them on my channel. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So I'll see y'all in my next video.